Hey guys, what's up? This is the kinco HMI. In that, the issue was of backlight issues in technical words. It means the display lights was not coming. First of all, guys, we are checking by given 24 watt supply to this connector. Friends, as you all know that here we are doing chip level repairing, so that we replace the backlight by giving 24 volt supply to this backlight instead of 5 volt in actual. And what, see, the display came on. That's done. See you in next video, guys. Bye bye.